Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix black screen on XDefiant. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to go to Documents on your computer, Documents, and then you need to look for My Games. My Games, go to XDefiant, and then you need to look for a state.cfg file. Double click on it, open as Notepad, and then here you need to look for refresh rate. So you need to look for find and right here refresh, right? Refresh rate, and then as you can see here, refresh rate numerator for me is abdominal number. So what you need to do here is to set your refresh rate, what is maximum or on your monitor. For me is, for example, 144, and then hit save, and then look if the problem persists or not. If you're using NVIDIA GPU, you can go to NVIDIA control panel, and then here you can go to manage 3D settings, program settings, select add a program, add XDefiant, and then scroll down until you see a as you can see here, max frame rate, and you can set to frame rate that is available here, right? If it's not the case, if it's not working, then what you can do here, you need to open up a basically sound. I don't know why, but it's working. Settings. Then you need to go to System, Sound, scroll down until you see more sound settings, look for playback, and then select the one that you're using. Here, right click on it, Properties, Spatial Sound, and make sure Spatial Sound is turned off, and then look if the problem persists. And if the problem persists, then on search, write run. Then here write msconfig. Then here you need to go to services, hide all Microsoft services, and then you need to look for Dolby DAX API. For me, there is no such option, but if for you there is, just untick that particular option and save the settings, restart your computer, and your problem should be fixed.